So do y'all remember when Desmond had auditions for his singing group and I forced him to put me in it? Baby, 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 oh, baby, 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 no.
I'm sorry, Brayton, but you can't be in my group.
You better put me in the group or I'm gonna beat you up. Well, a few days later, we went to the studio to record our first song together, and Desmond was really pissing me off. I was the Michael Jackson of that group, and everybody was about to find out.
I don't care what you say, I'ma do things my